In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert symbols in Excel. This is a simple feature, but it is very useful when you need to add special characters, currency signs, mathematical symbols, or other icons that are not easily available from your keyboard. Excel includes a built-in symbol menu, and once you know where to find it, the process is quick and easy. Start by opening your Excel worksheet and finding the exact cell where you want the symbol to appear. Once you have located the correct cell, double-click it. This places your cursor directly inside the cell, which is important because it tells Excel exactly where the symbol should be inserted. If you are working with text already inside that cell, this also allows you to place the symbol in the right position within the existing content. Next, move your attention to the top of the Excel window and click the Insert tab on the ribbon. The ribbon contains different tools organized by category, and the Insert tab is where Excel keeps options for adding extra elements into your worksheet. After that, look toward the far right side of the ribbon for the Symbols group. In that section, click Symbol. This will open the Symbol dialog box. Inside this box, you will see a grid filled with available symbols. These can include punctuation marks, accented characters, arrows, shapes, and many other special characters depending on the font selection. Now browse through the grid and select the symbol you want to use. Take a moment here to make sure you are choosing the correct one, especially if several symbols look similar. The grid gives you a visual way to find the exact character you need. Once you have selected your symbol, click Insert. Excel will place that symbol into the cell at the cursor location you chose earlier. When you are done, click Close to exit the symbol window and return to your worksheet. If needed, you can repeat the same process to add more symbols to the same cell or to other cells in your workbook. This method is especially helpful when you want your spreadsheet to look more polished or when you need characters that are not available on a standard keyboard. That covers everything you need to know.